Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing Kandpid Asan and M-shape Kandpid Asan for beginners. How can beginners can perform M-shape Kandpid Asan as well as Kandpid Asan and Kandasana. So hope you all are guys enjoy this video. If you watch this video full, so you can easily understand the steps and techniques that can help you to improve your Kandpid Asan and Kandasana. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can easily get my latest video and also get some benefit from my YouTube channel. So let's start our video right now. So basically the question is how Kandasana and Kandpid Asan look like. So I am show you. So this is the fault and now I am doing again. So this is Kandpid Asan. And now the question is how M-shape Kandpid Asan look like. So I am doing this. So this is M-shape Kandpid Asan because of his shape. It shapes M shape. This is M shape. So the name is M shape Kandpid Asan, and this is very also hard to do. But because of my tips, if you apply when you perform your Kandpid Asan, so you can easily do. So let's start our tips. The tips are very easy. You just increase your flexibility by doing this exercise. You do this. You just stuck your foot on your shoulder like that and move it again front side like that and do with same side. Stuck your foot behind your ball and socket joint and move it front side like that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, and do with the next step is do butterfly with fast. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 so on so on so on so on. Okay, this is another trick, and now I am doing third trick. Do Kandpid Asan with one leg. It also increases your flexibility, leg flexibility. And do with this side. So this is also increase your legs flexibility and also help to do Kandpid Asan as well as M-shape Kandpid Asan. And the question is how can we do M-shape Kandpid Asan? It is very easy if you do my step. Do one thing, you just touch your foot both foot to each other and pull up with your abdomen towards abdomen, and you just tuck your foot with your hand like that and attracts to the abdomen and pull it like that. Just pull it like that, pull it like that, one side like that. Again you do an exercise like that. It is very necessary exercise for this particular asan. It gives strength to your foot and also increase your leg flexibility. Oh, okay. So now I am showing you that how after doing this exercise and tips and techniques, beginners can be performed very perfectly if you apply these tips. So now I am showing you. First of all, Kandpid Asan. Like that. Now I am showing you Kandpid M-shape Kandpid Asan like that. So this is very hard, but if you apply my tips, techniques, so you can easily do with extreme level confidence and also with your body support. If you enjoy this video, please like this video and also subscribe my channel. If you not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can easily get my latest video which I upload daily regularly. Okay, and thanks for watching yet. Okay, thanks a lot.